Here we have a city math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If p square negative q square equals to x and y equals to 2pq, which of the following is equivalent to x square positive y square? Okay, here we have some stuff for x and also some stuff for y over here. And we have to find the expression in the given answer choices that is equivalent to x square positive y square. Okay, now let me take this expression as it is. That is x square positive y square. Now, for this x, we can plug in this stuff p square negative q square. Then we get p square negative q square, the whole square positive. And for y over here, we can plug in this stuff for 2pq. Okay, let me plug in 2pq the whole square. Okay, now to get the expansion of the square of the binomial over here, let me consider the algebraic identity, that is a negative b the whole square. Its expansion is a trinomial, that is a square negative 2ab positive b square. We can use this algebraic identity to get the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. Now let's compare this one and this one. When I compare them, I am getting p square at the place of a and q square at the place of b. Now to get the expansion for this one, we have to use a trinomial over here. At the place of a, I have to write a p square. At the place of b, we have to write a q square. Okay, let me do it. So for a, we have to plug in p square. Since we have a square over here, this one has to be squared. Negative 2 times ab. For a, we have to write p square, and for b, we have to write q square, positive b square. For b, we have q square. Since we have square for b, then it has to be square. That is q square, the whole square. Positive. Here, three values, 2, p, and q are multiplied, and we have the exponent 2 in common. Whenever 2 or more values are multiplied and there is a common exponent, the exponent can be taken separately for each value and multiply the results. Then I'm getting 2 square times p square times q square. Then we get p square the whole square, negative 2 times p square q square, positive q square the whole square. Here, when I evaluate the value of this 2 square, it's 4. That is 4 p square q square. In my next step, what we can do is we can combine this one and this one, because both of them are like terms. Here, this term contains a p square q square, and this one also contains p square q square. So we can combine them. Okay, let me do it. That is p square the whole square. When I combine this one and this one, I am getting positive 2 p square q square, positive q square the whole square. Okay, here we have a trinomial. Now let me consider another algebraic identity, that is a positive the whole square. So the expansion of the square of this binomial is a square positive 2ab positive b square. This one is similar to the first one we have over here. The first one we have negative sign between a and b over here. Then in the expansion, the 2ab is negative. In the second one, we have positive sign between a and b. Then in the expansion, the 2ab is positive. Now let's consider the trinomial we have over here. This is exactly in this form, a square positive 2ab positive b square. At the place of a, we have p square. At the place of b, we have q square. So now what we can do is we can write this trinomial as a square of a binomial using this identity. For that, we have to use the stuff on the left side, that is a positive the whole square. As I said earlier, for a, we have p square. So here in the square of a binomial over here, at the place of a, I have to write this p square. And since 2ab over here is positive, we have to take positive sign. At the place of b, we have q square. So we have to write q square at the place of b over here. Then I'm getting p square positive, q square the whole square, that is a positive the whole square. So now I have written this trinomial in this form, a positive the whole square. Then I'm getting p square positive q square the whole square. Okay, here I got the expression that is equivalent to x square positive y square. So it is over here. We find this stuff in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.